Hi, my name is Tiaan Bester. I'm responsible for quality and regulatory affairs with Danone in South Africa. I've been working all my life with yogurt. So this mission which I accepted to come and help the livelihood family here in Kenya is very different from my normal day-to-day job. In fact, I've never been exposed to clay linings, to cement, to metal casings, etc. So it's a total new experience. I was really motivated to accept this challenge to come and help the team because I'm really interested in in the world we are living in the environment we are living in, and the fact that there are people who are dedicated to protect and to do a lot of work, in order to protect our environment. This makes me very enthusiastic, and if I can be part of that, even a small part, it's very motivating to myself. So I spend mainly time with Mercy, the person who is responsible for the quality of the project, in order to assist to make recommendations in terms of quality control, quality check, and to try and see if we can make the process a bit more efficient. I hope I could add some value there. The project is very interesting. It seems there's a lot of enthusiasm from the community, from the women who are using these stoves. We visited a few families and they all seem very happy with the new stoves that they have for the moment. All of them confirmed, in fact, that it makes life much easier for them, that they use much less wood than in the past. So all in all, it seems to me a very positive project with a potentially very positive impact on the environment.